good evening and hello either to the people in the world. So today I'm going to tell you about how to make a short film. I'm from Lag 61 here. So saying thank you at dito kayo sa channel ko at nanonood kayo sa channel ko. So ngayon ay tatalakay ko sa inyo kung paano po naman gumawa ng short film. How to make a short film. So that is a question. We leave that kind of question last 1 month ago sa ating channel. So the diagram of making a short film is simple. It's like this. It's like this. But before that, we will analyze why that there should be a plan for your short film. It is like something as you will go to a certain restaurant or a food chain with your friends, and the question is, what if the kind of thing or story that you will tell to your classmates is you don't know how to start the story, how to tell the argumentation or whatsoever. Ma-enjoy ka ba? Do you find the enjoyment? Will you be fan sa pakikinig sa kanila? Sigurado hindi. Okay, so ganun din. So dito is ito ang ating diagram. We start from here. Dito. So this part will be the presentation of the characters. So as you see the diagram, it's here is short, and then this a long part, and then here short part, and then going here. Okay, so the presentation of the characters is from the first situation, as in like short part only. Of course, usually the short story is either 6 minutes or 8 minutes, and then finish. Or it's up to you, but actually the presentation is short for the characters. Where is the setting, why, who is the character. So usually the character is just two, dalawa lang sila, and then around them sometimes there are extras. So it's like a tree, which a certain tree is standing here. The other one is the opponent, and around this there are many extra subject. And then going here is what we call the argumentation or the controversy. What is happening? What is happening? What is the thing happened to them, this part. And then the other one is the climax going here. So the question is, for example, do you have a deal and the deal was not done in a good way. So the question is, what did they do? What did happen? Ano nangyari? So is there a crime? Is there a violence between them? Is there a shooting incident or whatsoever? And then around here is what we call the Act 3, Action 3. So if the solve it will be here in this part. And then the event or the result will be around here, going to the ending. Pupunta na to sa ending. Itong dito na side, itong last na to. So at yun, usually namatay ang kontrabida. The bad character, the bad guy, was killed by the main character. And the main character becomes a hero, usually. So yun po ang short story. And we'll tell you someday, next time, of how to maintain a cinematic look on a certain filmmaking. Ano ang gagawin para cinematic to siya? So, ito yung lamang muna po. This is the way of making a short story or short film. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye-bye. And please subscribe to this channel for more notification for this coming vlog or coming videos for this channel, Vlogs 51. Thank you so much.